Hi, my name is Alan in the data van, and today I will introduce how to configure the device. So to configure the device, connect PC to device. Two ways can be used to connect the device and the PC. Select either one of the ways. So first one is connect to the PC directly. The second one is connect by LAN. So now I will show you how to connect the PC directly. So first, we use the adapter. Okay, adapter connect to the device. And secondly, we use the network cable to connect to the device. And also connect to the laptop. Okay, it's the first way to connect to PC directly. Thank you.
Hi everyone, so now our device is connecting to our laptop by a network cable, and I will demonstrate how to configure our device. The text bar, so you will see the network icon. Right click, open network and sharing center, click. Ethernet, click. Properties, double click, and we choose TCP IPv4, double click, and now we need to select use the following IP address: 192.168.2.1. Also, we need to select subnet mask. Click OK. Click OK again. And now we need to use a browser. So we open the browser. The IP address is our default IP address: 192.168.2.1.0 and enter. And now you will see our web page. This page is in order to configure our device. So you will see the different languages such as the Chinese, English, Spanish, the username, and we type the password. Now we click login, and now you will see the login is successful. Thank you very much. Hi everyone, so now I will demonstrate how to connect by LAN and how to set up. So first, the IP address on device is set a DHCP, which automatically obtains an IP address from LAN. Simply connect both device and PC on LAN. So you will see at the lower right corner of device, you can see the IP address. And then we open the browser and then we type the IP address as the same the device. It's 192.168.1.2.2.5. Enter. And now we successfully entered the web page. You will see there are some languages such as Chinese, English, Spanish. The username, the password, and enter. So now we successful login. Thank you very much.